So today is the 11th of September 2013, and yesterday I spent like 4 or 5 hours working on the scariest of all of the connections, which was the living room exhaust, the kitchen and dining room exhaust I mean. Originally this 3-port exhaust unit was supposed to be over here in the drawing, but of course the engineer had a wall drawing but no cabinets drawing, so she put it there, and that is not where I needed it. Fortunately for me, this wall is perfect. It'll draw all of the gases out of the kitchen. It's 8 feet plus from the stove top, which is a requirement for this exhaust unit. And then I just had to be lucky enough not to hit a joist where this wall met the floor, and I did not hit a joist. So there are the 3 holes going through the base stud, the bottom plate for this wall. Goes right through the subfloor, which is just half-inch plywood. It might be 3/4, but I don't think so. Maybe 5/16, or 5/8, something like that. Anyway, so that's getting me here, and then I have to get from just above the bathroom in the basement, which is a half bath, have to get all the way up and into the laundry room. So here we are downstairs. Here's the hole I made in the wall. It's a relatively small hole, and the flap is there. I should be able to flap that back up. So I made 3 holes, and then when I opened this one, I saw that there was that pipe behind there, so I couldn't go through there, so I had to move 1 hole over. So those are the 3 holes here, and then I came over here and made these 3 holes here. I checked online and found the requirements. Maximum hole size for this size joist is a 3-inch. I'm a 3 1/8, but I think I'm okay with 2-inch spacing. The holes have to be at least 2 inches from the top and from the bottom and from any side, but I'm able to keep those parameters set. So here's where we are now. I have to come through that joist just behind the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 joists, all kinds of little holes here. Some of them are no longer being used, so I'm going to incorporate them into a hole that I'm going to be bringing here. I'm going to try to bring them over in this direction to get as far away from the wall construction that I have to do up there, that I also want to insulate, as I possibly can. And I'll show you more when I'm done.